Hello, good morning, students. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. I am your science teacher, Kalavati ma'am. Today we are learn about 5th class science, second term, first lesson, our skeletal system. What is our first lesson, students? Our skeletal system. Okay? Think of the things a computer can do. Now, think of all things you can do. Isn't your list much longer? Our body is more efficient than any human made machine. Yes, our body is more efficient than any human made machine. Now, think of all the functions that your body performs and so many of them at the same time. How do we hear? How do we see? How does our heart beat? How is our food digested? How do we remember things? Let us understand how our body works. Dear students, to which parts of the computer and our five sense organs can be compared? To which parts of the computer and our five sense organs can be compared? Input, output, devices. To which part of the computer and the human brain can be compared? Excellent. You can guess. CPU, Central Processing Unit. We can compare CPU to our brain. To which part of the computer and the human eyes can be compared? Camera and scanner. Dear students, why do we say computer system? Can it be compared with human body? Because is it accent of many devices. Many devices make a system. Similarly, our body consists of so many organs which perform similar function are termed as organ system. Since computer system can be compared with organ system, define cell. What is a cell? Do you know what is a cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Children, I will repeat it once again. What is a cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Next, what is tissue? What is a tissue? A group of cells which perform similar function are known as tissues. Dear students, I will repeat it once again. A group of cells which perform similar function are known as tissues. Dear students, next, organ system. Our body is made up of many parts, each of which performs special functions. The lungs, the heart, the kidneys and the brain are some of the major organs of our body. Students, underline the sentence. What are the major parts? What are the major organs in our body? The lungs, the heart, the kidneys and the brain are some of the major organs of our body. These organs have to work like a team in order to keep the body fit. These organs have to work like a team in order to keep the body fit. The teamwork of our bones and muscles is amazing. Working together, they make our body an efficient machine. Dear students, this is an example just like football match. All 11 players have to move in perfect coordination to score and win the cup. A group of organs together make up an organ system. What is an organ system? A group of organs together make up an organ system. Next, a group of tissues which perform A particular function or work are known as organ system. Next one, a group of tissues which perform a particular function or work are known as organ system. Okay, students, I will ask you some questions. You will find the answers. First one, name the organ which pumps the blood for various parts of our body. What is the answer? See the picture. The heart. The heart pumps the blood for various parts of our body. Next question. Name the organ which chews the food. Can you guess? Yes, see the picture. The stomach. The stomach's help in churning the food is a part of digestive system. Next one, name the organ which absorb the nutrients and supply to various parts of our body. Do you know, students? See the picture. Small intestine. Name the organ which absorbs the extra water present in the undigested food. What is that? Undigested food. Large intestine. What is the answer? Large intestine. Next, dear students, what is an organ system? Define organ system. An organ system is a group of organs which perform a set of functions. A organ system perform a set of functions that are known as organ system. For example, the digestive system help in the digestion. For example, the digestive system helps in the digestion. Next one, name the organ system which helps to respiration. What is the answer? See the picture, students. Respiratory system. Next one, name the organ system which helps to reproduction. Yes, see the picture. Reproductive system is the right answer. Next, name the organ system which helps to the circulatory system, circulation of blood. The circulatory system. Name the organ system which helps to the circulation of blood, circulatory system. Name the organ system which helps in the passage of the message or signals from one part of the body and to another part of the body. What is the answer? See the picture. The nervous system. Dear students, name some of the organ system: digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, reproductive system, muscular system, and nervous system. The nervous system controls the working of the internal organs, our movements, and even thoughts and emotions. Do you know? Students, did you understand what I said? The nervous system controls the working of the internal organs, our movements, and even our thoughts and emotions. The circulatory, the respiratory, and the reproductive system perform their own special organs, own special functions. Dear students, in this class, we have learned the meaning of organs and various organ systems. I hope in this class was informative and interesting. We will meet next class. Thank you.